mind map. We go to the first part is the budgeting. In budgeting, we have gone through the meaning of budgeting. So the meaning of budgeting is the resource allocation by the government, and in resource allocation, the identification of the resource. Then comes the estimate of future cost. It is future expenditures and estimate of income for various source of income. Then future time, it is for the future budgeting is for the future time durations and fixed number of time. Then the balancing expenditure with income. Then the basic principle of the budgeting given by Robert Anthony. The budget is enforced and prepared by a high level managers and prepared for a fixed time duration, and it fixes responsibility of various stakeholders. Then tool for ensuring responsibilities and accounting. And budget is separating the expenditure and receipt. This is budget is based on principle of uniformity and certainty, and budget is always prepared by the top manager. Then we have the zero based budgeting, in which we have the concept of developed by Peter Fair and operationalized by Jimmy Carter, the Carter type of budgeting. Then the sun, it is also zero based budgeting is also known as the sunset budgeting, and the definition is the critically analyzed past financial decision and renewed only if the positive indications. And budget divided into decision makers by Carter, and the manager explained rationale of the proposal of the every aspect of the budget. It is given by the fire. Then the process of budgeting indicate identify decision or unit, also called as the packages, evaluate each package and rank the budget and allocating resource to the packages. And the advantage of zero based budgeting are the it is rational resource allocation system, and it focus on objective and critical assessment of previous decision are taken. Then it promote efficiency, it ensure accountability and reduce wastage. Then comes the types of the second type of budget is the performance budgeting, in which the outcome budgeting is over there. It linking allocation to physical progress. Different milestone of projects are given. At different milestone completion, the finance or the aid is given, and it have the close monitoring and the focus on rather result, not on the process. Means the focus on the result, not the means of the work. Then comes the provides better insight of future planning and promote financial efficiency by enabling government to timely management of finance and enabling better oversight of cost overrun. Then comes the second part, which is the accounting. In accounting, we have learned about meaning of accounting, which says the accounting is process of keeping account, and in general meaning it is general record keeping, and in academic it is art and science of recording financial transaction. It is for any commercial entity during a specific time, and accounting is registering financial activities of company or a institution. Then the we come to the double entry system of the transaction, which is the first one in this is the it is a DES is accounting technique, Every financial activity has dual effect. One side debited or other side credited. The future of DES. So impact on two sides, and there are debit, credit, profit, loss, and income outcome. Then amount remains equal. Then the what are the steps of the DES, double entry system? So the first process are the recording, classification, summarize, and communication. In recording, we have writing the primary generals. Okay, this is my first process is general. Then come classification, mention in various ledger. Then comes summarization, means prepare trial balance. Then come communication, means provide info to relevant persons. Then we go for the benefits of this DES system. It is a scientific progress process, and it is error free, and it is a credible and reliable system, and it less scope of cheating. It have the less scope of cheating. Then holistic picture of business is given by DES and used for comparative study and easy to detect error and frauds. Then come the limitation of this means I can say the DES system. The limitation are non suitable for small business because it want the economy of scale. Then comes the difficulty in unorganized business, and the error detection can be difficult. Then the type of accounts. The main accounts are personal account, real account, and nominal account. What are the personal account? These are the related to individual or the entity. Then what is the real account? They record the asset and liability. A real account means the physical asset like furniture, like cash for a entity. Then the nominal account like the expenses, loss, income. Various are in nominal because they are intangible. Then comes the financial statement. The financial statement definition: a written document providing summarized information, financial activity of a company. Then comes the who is the user of this financial account: the owner, financial position, manager for decision making, an investor for investment decision, and debtor and creditor for self interest. Then the what is the type of financial instrument? There are two type: traditional or modern. In traditional, we learn about for profit and loss statement and balance sheet, and in modern we learn about the cash flow statement, the fund flow statement, the human resource statement, and the social statement. Then comes the cost center. There are various type of cost center is over there. They are responsible for all expenditure. There are four mainly cost center are the cost estimation, cost classification, cost accounting, and cost control. Then comes the revenue center. They are responsible revenue or income. Their activity are to studying revenue structure and accounting of revenue. Then comes the investment center, responsible for company investments, and activities are tracking past investments and choosing best investment option. Then comes the profit center. The profit center is responsible for both revenue and cost, and the performance measured by profitability. Then comes the social accounting. In social accounting, evaluating outcome of social welfare expenditure, measure outcome of comparing with object. The concept is photograph phenomena, snapshot impact. The subpart of social accounting is environmental accounting, sustainable accounting, which use the environment resources reuse or reduce the conservation of resources in the sustainability economy. And business responsibility report give the concept of reduce, reuse, and recycle. Then comes the objective of the this social accounting. This is it promotes social and economic interest of the society, balance interest of stakeholder and shareholder, and ensure positive image building of the organization. Then we come to the auditing part of syllabus, in which the auditing is the process of examine financial statement to check verifying credibility, accuracy, and truth. And in so you know the auditors वाट दे ऑडिटर कंपनी की वाट लगाते हैं वेरीफाई एक्यूरेसी एंड ट्रूथ VAT वेरीफाइंग क्रेडिबिलिटी एक्यूरेसी एंड ट्रूथ दे इन्वेस्टिंग एरर intentional or non-intentional difference between audit and investigation are so the who is perform the audit and who perform investigation. Audit is by professional and independent body and investigation by experienced individual. So the nature of audit is positive, verifying truth, but nature of investigation is negative, finding mistake. So report to the auditor report to owner and investigator report to a senior officer of his organization, not the owner. So domain of auditing is broad and investigation is narrow because it is a negative aspect. Then the objective of auditing, primary objective of auditing is examining fairness and correctness, proper organization of records, and verify completeness and verify truthfulness. Then the secondary objective is to detecting error, detecting fault, and advising owner or manager. Then comes this validation of account. It is the work of the we can say the benefit of the auditing. It verify the account and help in organization in getting a loan and investment and preventing reputational loss and detecting wastage of resource and fulfilling statutory requirements. Then comes the what is the benefit from help from the auditing. So for investor can take investment decision about the organization. Then the stakeholder taking their decision also. An animal interested in overall view of organization, and the advisor or the policy maker are also benefited from the auditing. And auditing prevents repetition of error. Then what is the disadvantage of auditing? So the auditing creates moral pressure on employee. They have to perform in any circumstance. The unnecessary expenditure and burden of resource by excessive documentation, and absence of assurance of deleting all error or fraud. सभी जो गलतियां हैं वो ऑडिटिंग भी नहीं पकड़ पाती. So the types of auditing. Last, the first is the statutory audit, compulsory by law. Then efficiency audit, examine efficiency of employee or process. Then performance audit, compare performance with target. In this efficiency audit, we have some kind of think the efficiency audit is on the behalf of investor or owner. And objective of efficiency audit are as follow. So the to examine resource utilization, evaluating all investment alternatives, evaluating future needs of money, and making evidence based decision. Then comes the performance audit, compared performance with target. So in this we have the commonly for government organization. Performance audit is for government organization and evaluate three parameters, which are the economy, the monetary resource utilization, efficiency input output ratio, and effectiveness achievement of objective. Means three: economy, efficiency, and effectiveness. Then comes the last part of social audit. Government school scheme audited by local society or the Gram Sabha. So it examine efficiency, economy, and effectiveness by promoting the accountability and transparency, efficient use of government resource, active public participation, and participative democracy is reflected in this social auditing. Then comes the achievement of the social auditing. I can say that verification of beneficiaries and the quality of asset created is very good, and it also done the expenditure audit. Then comes the phases of this social audit. So the various phases are as there. This is pre audit, and second phase is audit, and third phase is post audit. Then comes this government accounting, government undertaking and departments. So this is the responsible officer for the government audit is Controller General of India. And type of the government audit are three type of audits. So efficiency audit, transactional audit, and audit for PSU and government undertakings. Then comes the objective for the PSU. So the for PSU, evaluation, management decision, rationality, and necessity. So comparing income and expenditure with target and examine financial position of the company. So this is the mind map or holistic approach of defining the syllabus and learn through the syllabus. So we have complete our accounting and auditing by this mind map. Thank you.